Hello my dear students. So welcome to my YouTube channel. So as you could see here, so this is about question paper pattern for the year 2020 and 21. So of course in your college they might have discussed about the reduced syllabus. Even from the PU board they have sent you the PDF form of all the subjects with a reduced syllabus as well as the model question paper. I hope you people have gone through that one. So in the same way as my subject is chemistry, so I have prepared the question paper pattern for this year, that is 2020-21, with the reduced syllabus. By considering the reduced syllabus, how they have given the model question paper from the PU board. This is for the state PU board. So I have prepared one pattern. So through this you can what I can say properly plan how the questions will appear from each chapter and how you can concentrate on each chapter. That is how, and it is very important in the form important for the scoring purpose. So let us go with a pattern which I have prepared here. And as the syllabus been reduced, in your chemistry part they have deleted polymer and the chemistry in everyday life. Obviously the questions will not appear from that part. So instead, obviously some other topics or some other chapters have got the more weightage this time. So you had to concentrate all the points that comes in each chapter. So it is not like that early in a previous year we used to say that yes, this is an important concept, the questions will definitely appear from this, like that we used to say. Now as the part been chapters been deleted, each and every part from the remaining chapter will find very important. So that's why you had to concentrate on all things. So whenever you sit for a study, the proper planning is very required for a good score. In that way, you could see here, so the pattern is in this way, like how the question paper will appear, like part A, part B, part C and part D. Okay, and in part D you will going to have a fourth and the fifth main. So your question paper will be for how many marks? It is for 105 marks. So you will going to write for 70 marks. So this is how the questions will appear. You had to learn this one, you had to study this one properly so that you can plan it. So in part A, as we all know, in chemistry, part A consists of a 1 mark question, that is answer all the questions we will be having. 10 questions will be there without any option or any choice. So the first question will appear from the chapter solution. Okay, similarly second question will appear from the solution chapter itself. So now the third question will be from the electrochemistry and the fourth question will be from the chemical kinetics. Similarly fifth question will be from the surface chemistry and sixth and seventh question will be from the P block elements. And eighth question will be from the haloalkanes, haloarenes, and the ninth question will be from the aldehyde ketones in the carboxylic acid, and the 10th will be from the biomolecules. So when you get this order, so you can plan very well. So when it comes to like a solution chapter, first and second question, you can concentrate like how 1 mark question might appear. If you go through the previous year question paper, like from 2014 till 2020, you can go through, okay, this type of questions will repeat, then you need to concentrate 1 mark question more from the solution. In that way you need to plan. So when it comes to biomolecules, you have a nucleic acids, like many questions will appear from the nucleic acid, DNA, RNA, based on that one. So you have to plan in that way. So in this part, this time the metallurgy chapter been deleted. So that's why you are getting a question more, 2 questions from the P block. In the previous year you used to get only 1 question, but this time you are getting a 2 question from the P block for the 1 mark. I hope you understood how I have prepared this one. Similarly, when it comes to part B, answer any 5 of the following will be there, where you will be having around 8 questions. Out of 8 questions, you need to answer any 5. Right? So each question carries 2 marks. So first question will be from the solid state. So when it comes to solid state, there are many common questions will appear, like calculate the number of atoms in BCC, FCC, simple unit cell, or write the differences between the Schottky and the Frankel defect, okay, or they may give a 2-mark numerical like find out the formula, like such questions will appear. So when it comes to electrochemistry, 12th question will be from the electrochemistry, 13th will be from the chemical kinetics, and 14th will be D and F block elements, and 15th question will be from the haloalkanes and the haloarenes, and 16th aldehyde ketones in the carboxylic acid, 17 from the alcohol, phenols and ether, 18th question will be from the amine. So you could see here 15, 16, 17, 18 will be from the organic part. Whereas solid state electrochemistry, chemical kinetics will be from the physical chemistry, and only one question you are getting from the inorganic. So you can properly plan and you can concentrate. So out of 8 questions, which you had to be very thorough, whether organic, whether physical, so that you can plan it, you can answer 5 questions very easily. So this is about part A and part B. Similarly, let us move to the part C. Here you could see, yeah, no problem. I'm going to upload this PDF file to my Telegram channel. I'm going to share the link in the description box. You can go through that one. Okay. Now part C. So part C is purely inorganic chemistry. Okay. All the questions will appear from the inorganic chemistry, dear students. So you have to plan in this way and you have to study. So answer any 5 of the following the question is. So out of again 8 question you need to answer any 5. So here how we are going to plan? See, so when it comes to each question carries 3 marks. Okay, so 3 questions from the P block, 2 questions from the D block, 3 questions from the coordination compound. So out of this you can plan very well and you can study. If you go through P block thoroughly and if you go through what I can say coordination compound thoroughly, then you can answer very easily. So that is how you need to plan. So I'm repeating, part C is purely for the inorganic chemistry. Then what about the part D? In case of a part D, we have 2 mains. One is fourth main, which is purely physical chemistry. You could see purely from the physical chemistry. So that is answer any 3 of the following. Out of 5 questions, you need to answer any 3 of the following. So out of 5 questions, you need to answer any 3. So it is quite simple. You can get 15 marks very easily from this part. How? Quite simple. See here. So as each question carries 5 marks, and you know that in chemistry direct 5-mark question will not appear. So it will be like a 3 plus 2 or 2 plus 2 plus 1 form. It will be there. So 27th question is compulsory from solid state. Okay. 27th A is compulsory from the solid state. That too it is compulsory from what? From the derivation of packing efficiency. So derive the packing efficiency of BCC, FCC, simple unit cell, compulsory will be there for 3 marks. And in the 27th itself, in B, you will going to have the question from the solid state. It might be a numerical on density. So density related numericals might be asked. Okay. And now 28th question will be from the solution chapter. So solution 1 will be compulsory numerical for 3 marks. Okay. And another question will be from the solution for 2 marks. Any question like maybe difference between the ideal and the non-ideal solution. Okay. About the colligative property, any questions might appear. Now 29th question will be from the electrochemistry. Compulsory numerical will be there for 3 marks and the 2 marks question may appear anywhere. That too from the electrochemistry itself. Now the 30th question is from the chemical kinetics. So chemical kinetics derivations are there like integrated rate equation for the 0 order, for the first order, half-life for the 0 order, first order. So those derivation compulsory will come for the 30th A part. And for the B part, you will going to have a numerical. Okay. So now the last question is from the surface chemistry, and both questions like 31A and B will be from the surface chemistry. So dear students, if you are thorough with the solid state derivation with the numerical, if you are thorough with the solution numerical and the solution chapter, if you are very thorough with the chemical kinetics derivation and the numerical, then out of 5 questions, you can answer it very easily. Okay, so that's why I told you people that proper planning is very much required to get a good score. So this is about part D, 4th main. Similarly, we have part D, 5th main. So as you could see, it will be part D, 5th main, which is purely organic. Okay, this part D is purely organic, where you have to answer any 4. So out of 6 questions, you have to answer any 4 of the following. Each question carries 5 marks. Okay. So as it's purely organic, almost all the organic part will appear. Only thing is that polymer is deleted. So instead of polymer, like extra question might have appeared from another chapter. Okay. See here. So 32 question number A, haloalkanes, haloarenes. So when it comes to haloalkanes, haloarenes, either SN1 or SN2 will be definitely asked. Okay, and followed by, it may be like a 2 plus 2 plus 1 form it may appear, or 3 plus 2 form it may appear, but the 32 question will be from the haloalkanes. Question number 33 will be from the alcohol, phenols and ether. Compulsory, there is a mechanism. Okay, either hydration of ethene to give ethanol or dehydration of ethanol to give ethene. That mechanism will definitely appear for the 3 marks, or it might be for 2 marks. So the question number 33 will be purely from the alcohol, phenols and ether, and the 34th question will be from the aldehyde ketones and the carboxylic acid. Especially number of named reactions will appear. You have to go through that one. And the 36th question will be from the amines, and the 37th question will be from the biomolecules. Okay, in biomolecules, Haworth structure of a monosaccharides they are going to ask. So in the previous year, they used to ask you about the Haworth structure of a sucrose, maltose or lactose. Since that part they have deleted, instead Haworth structure of a monosaccharides like alpha D-glucose, beta D-glucose, or what I can say about the fructose, they may ask you people. So each and every, the total weightage of the chemistry, like physical, organic, inorganic, from the question paper, from the reduced syllabus, you could see here, from the physical chemistry, 36 marks will appear in your question paper. From the organic chemistry, 41 marks, and from the inorganic chemistry, 28 marks. Totally, your question paper will be for 105 marks. So you can imagine, from the organic we are getting a major part, and then physical followed by inorganic. So you have to properly plan and you have to study in that way. And based on the reduced syllabus, here I have prepared the weightage of each chapter. Okay, you could see solid state 7 marks weightage, and where the questions will appear in part B and D. Okay, like that I have prepared the weightage. I'll going to upload the PDF file of this one. You can go through this. Okay, I hope you find this video useful. Like how this is done for the second PU, in the same way shortly I'll going to upload the video for the first PU as well, based on a reduced syllabus. Okay, thank you so much.